In this video, I'm breaking down what it's really like starting a full-time gig as a painter with zero experience and how to not just survive, but actually crush it from day one. Alright, so you're about to start painting full-time at 19 bucks an hour, and yeah, I get it, you're nervous as hell, totally normal. First off, prep work is everything. You gotta tape edges, clean, sand rough spots, and clean surfaces before you even think about slapping paint on. Don't rush through that because it makes the whole job look way better and lasts longer. Use good brushes and rollers. Cheap tools can make your life harder, trust me. When you start painting, use smooth, even strokes and don't overload your brush or roller with paint. That's rookie stuff right there. Also, keep an eye on your posture and wear comfy clothes because you'll be bending and reaching a lot. Always ask questions if you're unsure. No one expects you to know everything right away, and people actually respect when you want to learn. Lastly, try to be reliable and show up on time every day. Being dependable will get you far in any trade, especially painting. One of the biggest mistakes newbies make is rushing through prep work since it feels boring, but skipping it leads to messy paint jobs that peel or drip everywhere. Another issue is not cleaning brushes properly after use, which wrecks your tools and makes your next job harder. And then there's overloading your brush or roller. Too much paint means drips and uneven coverage, so keep it light and steady. To fix these problems, just slow down, focus on the prep first, clean your tools thoroughly with water or paint thinner depending on the paint type, and practice control with your strokes. You'll get the hang of it fast once you start paying attention to these details. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for anyone starting in trades like painting because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work and grow their business, making it easier to build a career in the trades without stressing about where the next gig is coming from.